Well, you know, if you're looking for a job that supports you and your family, it helps you grow, helps you achieve what you're looking to achieve, I think Willinga is a good place to look because you'll find that people here care about you.
In my opinion, everyone should work for Willinga. I really want hardworking people to come here and work for our company. It's a great place to work. It's family operated. It's been in business for 70 years. We're thriving, we're growing, and we love to have fun, and we really care about the people. Everybody cares about everybody here, and I can't imagine working anyplace else.
Family-oriented, friendly, great place to work.
Family.
Effective and friendly.
Family-oriented.
Family-oriented, definitely. Even if you're not part of the family, they make sure that you feel like you are.
Innovative family business.
Very enjoyable, we'll put it that way.
Willinga rocks.
Put a lot of value, I put a lot of stake in who our employees are, that everybody, and I think we also learned this from my dad, you know, everybody is of value.
I enjoy it here.